Oh my god. My room was a mess. What's new? A little sugar didn't hurt anyone. Very pretty. Oh my goodness. I've been getting skinny fat. Now it's sweltering and I'm wearing Uniqlo heat tech. It's a brown butter chocolate cookie. My flight leaves at 10:45 p.m. and I haven't finished packing yet. And I need to do my toes. Good morning! It's Sunday and it's farmer's market time. I want to grab some raw honey from local farms. Someone told me that's supposed to lessen your allergies this season if you eat honey from bees that are in the local area, which makes sense to me. But anyway, this is my fit. Let's go. We're gonna go to dim sum and I made my little matcha. Okay, bye. Custard la sabao. Oh my god, wait. Mine exploded. Beautiful. Maybe we should get now about to.
Yeah, actually, we're thinking about coming over.
Mine's good.
Can I try? Salty?
If you like salted caramel, it's good. Look at this little guy sleeping on my pillow. What you doing, huh? I can see you. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay, fine. You can go to sleep. Hey guys! I'm home now and I've literally been doing nothing. I've just been making little TikToks and dancing in my room. But anyway, my room is a mess. What's new? Girl, what even is this? Bruh. That'll be a problem for later. Also, I got this new desk and a new chair, so I'm gonna set it up later. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Tuesday, I'm not sure. But it's a standing desk from Branch and their daily chair. And all of the boxes are like piling up right now. But I just haven't had a chance. No, you know what? I do have time to set it up. I am just very lazy. That's really what it is. I've got time. I'm just lazy. Yeah. Hey guys, it's 9 o'clock and someone tell me why I spent like the majority of my day scrolling on TikTok on my phone. In my bed, fully just, not even on TikTok only. It was like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and just constantly cycling through all three of them. Also, I got a new headband, finally. Kind of small on my head because my head's kind of big. But anyway, we're doing skincare. Guys, it's like I wanted to do something productive, but then at the same time I was just way too lazy, and then I just ended up going on my phone, and then the longer I was on my phone, the less I wanted to be productive, and it was just like a positive but negative feedback loop. But it's fine. Tomorrow's a new day. We can be productive tomorrow. Today was just my dedicated bed rotting day. It's crazy. I feel so exhausted, like my brain feels fried because I've just been consuming all of this content, but at the same time I did nothing. So that's how you know it's unhealthy. I need to be better. I need to be more disciplined in not scrolling all the time. Ugh. I hate washing my face, but I also love washing my face because I feel like I'm drowning half the time. But then once my face is like actually clean and like fresh, it feels so good. I can breathe now. I always hold my breath when I wash my face because I don't want to like drown in the water. Anyway, tomorrow we're gonna be productive, I swear, okay? You're gonna keep me accountable. We're gonna edit tomorrow. We're gonna clean up tomorrow. Possibly set up my desk tomorrow. Actually, no, that's too much. I'm sorry. We're just gonna edit and then like clean up, like tidy up a little bit. I feel like that's fine. This, holy grail. It gives so much hydration. I love it. Also, I'm going to Florida this week to visit John. I think. I don't know. The plans are in the air, but hopefully I'm going this week. And I'm excited. It's gonna be busy. I love that. I'm just really excited to take you guys along with me and like share all the places I'm going and all my experiences and all the food that I'm eating and all the coffee and the drinks and all that good stuff. I don't know why this little guy's popped up and this guy. I'm just gonna take it as a fluke and move on with my day and just blame it on stress. And I'm pretty sure that it's just that it. But I think I'm traumatized from the cystic acne that like it's all gonna come back. But I really hope it doesn't. I just have to think that I have clear skin. I have clean glass, clear skin. I have clean glass, clear skin. Yes. Clean glass, clear skin. Hi girly. Today I'm feeling a little, it's giving dark energy, you know, like with the dark shirt and then like the dark pants, you know? Here's the matcha of the day. Oh, too much honey. I was just trying to like finish up the rest of that little jar and I kind of just put all of it in, but it's fine. It's still good. A little sugar didn't hurt anyone. Anyway, today we have mucho things to do. We've got to edit the vlog. Actually, let me pull up my list. We got to edit the vlog. I got to return my Amazon purchases to Whole Foods because I'm indecisive, and also
I buy things and I don't realize that I bought the wrong things, and then so now I have to return it, and then it's just a whole thing, and then
moral of the story, I'm careless. And then I gotta make a packing list for my trip coming up just so I'm like organized and not freaking out when I'm actually packing and I'm like, oh my god, what do I need to bring? Yeah, and I think that's pretty much it. And then perhaps setting up that desk. But the thing is, I did a workout this morning and my legs are on fire. I think I'm gonna be too sore to set that up. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. Let me get my brain together. Let me just like chill out because my brain is going at like 100 million miles per hour right now. Let me just put some music on and enjoy my matcha and we'll get the day started. A lot of you guys want to know how I edit my videos. This is just a good time to show you. Okay, basically, I use Adobe Premiere Pro. I have always been an Adobe girly because in college I majored in graphic communication and they taught us Adobe. That's literally all I use for my videos. Let me show you. Basically, this is my YouTube folder. I have a template that I made. So every single time I have a video, I will just copy this folder into my in progress folder. Right now I'm editing the March 4th video. I put all of my footage in the raw footage folder and separate it by date, and then all I need to do is I highlight this, I just drag the folder into the raw footage folder in my art file, and then I just drag the footage onto my timeline. I also have presets made here so I can easily just drag and drop, and then that'll save me so much time. All my music, all my sound effects, everything is here. I will do a rough cut first. I will cut out all of the awkward pauses. I will make sure that everything is in chronological order, and then after I do the rough cut, then I'll go in and do all of those like zooms and audio effects, all the funny good stuff that you guys like. And then I do the intro, I add an outro, and then I export, and then I do my thumbnail, and it's uploaded on YouTube, and you're watching right now. If you guys have any questions about Adobe or any of the programs that I use or softwares that I use, leave them in the comments below, and I will get back to you on that.
I know what you been through. I know what you like. I know you about it.
Hey girly. It's lunchtime and I just heated up some like leftover meats and stuff. Rice, eggs, scallops, some beef, and tofu. So let's try it and see what it tastes like. I hope I cooked the scallops enough. Yeah, and Beanies immediately wants the food. It's good. Scallops are honestly like one of my favorite foods. Amazing. Anyway, I'm gonna watch some Gossip Girl just to take a break from editing and everything. And it'll be a good break. A good lunch break, huh? I told you. Hi. It's 4:15 and I'm drinking Ito and tea. Yeah. I added some raw honey in here just to kind of sweeten it up. I finished rough cutting like half of the video, but I'm feeling quite burnt out right now, so I'm gonna take a break. And just in time because I just got a package. So let's open it. It's from Bamba Swim and it's a whole bunch of swimsuits. I'm so excited to try. Oh my god. Okay, they sent over 3 sets and 1 top. This is the top, let me show you. Wait, this feels so good. This is their base tube top. It looks kind of big. I'm kind of scared. It's not gonna fit me. I have like no chest, so we'll see. It feels really soft though. Anyway, so this first set is the Bella set. This is the top. That is so cute. Oh my god. And then matching bottoms. They're just purple. And then this indigo blue color, which is very, very pretty. Oh my goodness. What you mean? And then the last set is this really pretty coquette vibe. This is so cute. This reminds me of like, it's giving Madison Beer vibes. And then the bottoms that match and they're like a little frilly vibe. They're so cute. Ah, thank you Bamba Swim. I can't wait to wear these. Hopefully they fit. Yay! Hello. Guess who just finished their taxes? This girl, with my father's help. But anyway, as a little reward to myself, I wanted to make some popcorn and watch some Gossip Girl. So that's what I'm doing right now. Here's the popcorn, olive oil, sea salt, as usual, and then we're gonna watch our show. This is the best Monday night right here. So a package just came in and it's the box that I have to return my work laptops in. This is like really weird. Like putting the laptops in here and shipping them out is just like, wow, okay. Fully leaving the company, fully unemployed. It's like cutting off all ties right now. Hi, it's Wednesday and I'm drinking my matcha and I made it like a protein shake. Oh, it's dripping. I made it like a protein shake so it's like for the gains. Anyway, I have been on my grind the past few days with the working out. I've been doing Lily Sabri's workouts, like the Pilates workouts, and then also doing squats and deadlifts, just really getting my muscles up because I noticed that ever since I started walking and I stopped going to the gym and lifting, I've been getting skinny fat. And if you guys don't know what skinny fat is, it's like my body itself is like small, but there's no definition, there's no muscle, there's nothing there. It's just squishy. I don't feel as good as I did when I was lifting and doing cardio at the same time. So I'm trying to ease into like doing more muscle building exercises, just like overall taking care of my health a little bit better. So yeah, anyway, I returned my work laptop yesterday, which was honestly kind of relieving just because like I'm like, okay, get out of my room. And honestly, I just threw myself back into work, getting on top of things, because if I don't and I act like I'm on vacation, I'm just gonna feel lost. So my purpose right now, I'm grinding and we're getting back on track. I can feel good things coming for all of us. Yay! Woo. Hi, it's almost 2:30 and I'm like mentally preparing myself for this meeting. I don't know why, but some days my anxiety is really high. Some days it's totally manageable, but for some reason I have like a little bit of anxiety. Anyway, yeah, so that's what I'm trying to do right now. I think it's fine. If I wasn't ready for this, I wouldn't have the opportunity. And I have the opportunity. That means I'm ready for this and I deserve this and I am qualified. So I'm chilling. I'm chilling, okay? Girl, what? Girl, the meeting was so good. It went well. Like, I'm proud of myself. Anyway, I really need to go return my Amazon packages and I'm gonna quickly change, do that, and then I'll feel accomplished today. Also, guys, I finished rough cutting the vlog. I'm so proud of myself. It's hot, guys. It's like 100 million degrees in here. I was like complaining that it was so cold last week, and this is what I get. Now it's sweltering, and I'm wearing Uniqlo heat tech. Make it make sense. Just finished Whole Foods, but you know, I had to get something that I didn't come in there for. Hopefully I have hand sanitizer somewhere, but I saw that these cookies were on sale, so I was like, I have to. Unfortunately I don't have any hand sanitizer. I'll just use like a napkin or something. I just think I want a sweet treat. It's a brown butter chocolate cookie and they're mini. Let me just have a taste. Guys, are you kidding me? What the heck? Nice and chewy. They're like super chewy. It's also getting really hot in here and my yogurt's gonna like melt, so let's go back home. Guess who just bought their flight to Tampa right now? It's currently 5 p.m. and my flight leaves at 10:45 p.m. and I haven't finished packing yet and I'm leaving in like 2 hours, so wish me luck. I'm literally sweating. I just finished dinner and I need to do my toes because my toes are bare. And girl, I'm going to Florida, so my toes can't be bare, obviously. Let me just get everything situated. I literally, I have 2 hours and hopefully I can do my nails in that amount of time. So yeah, let me just chill. I'm literally sweating. This is so disgusting. I need to calm down. Obviously, I can't like show you my toes because that's weird. But yeah, I'm gonna do my toes. Girl, it's 7:30. I finished the toes. I have 1 hour before I leave. I still need to finish packing. Cause girl, that is not done. Yeah. I'm done packing. Girly. What? It's 8 p.m. I have 30 minutes to spare. I'm just gonna relax and then we're gonna hop on a plane to the East Coast. Yeah. Also really exciting. I'm going to Florida. Obviously that's exciting. But I'm also going to New York after, which is crazy. And I'm going by myself and like I'm so scared, but I'm so excited and I'm so nervous, but I'm like also so happy and so excited. I can't wait to bring you guys along and I think you guys are gonna enjoy it and hopefully I will enjoy it. I mean, I will enjoy it. I'm gonna tell myself I'm gonna enjoy it right now. But yeah, I'll see you in Florida next week. Love you so much and yeah, bye. See ya.